Hello, hello. Sandile here. The guy lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Today, I am installing this guy here. Remember this guy I found on the side of the road? And I thought, oh, look at that. What a beautiful piece. Circular and good height to make a raised bed. So today I'll be installing that guy there. It has been quite a very delayed. I've delayed this project for quite a long time now, but it is time that I do it, and it's either now or never. I mean, if I do it now, it's even better. We on the second month of spring, so there's still a chance to put a lot of spring crops and summer crops, winter and all that. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm thinking right about where it was sitting there, that will be the right spot to put it. Otherwise, I don't know where to put it, but I just want to keep all the garden right neat here, because otherwise I'll have to go that side there where the other raised beds are. And I don't think I want to do that. I think I want to keep it here. So let's do that. And while we're doing that, please do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, share, and comment after you've watched the video. Let me know what are your thoughts behind the whole thing. Let's not waste time. Let's get on with it and do this before the sun sets is upon us. Let's do this. On the rocks. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It is rocky, 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 rocky. Some of these rocks I think will be good. If I can just put them on the side and then sort of like add them afterwards before I put my compost and everything, because they will be nice for drainage purposes. Right at the bottom. gone. Let me show you. Oh God. You see how far we've gone. Just left with this. This is what we left with. But we are almost there. Almost there. We left with this. So let's carry on and do this. I'm going to go and dump and come back and carry on. There we go. Sort of. Yeah. Let me show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like now. There is a boulder here, right here, where my finger is. There's a boulder there. You can see it at the tip of my finger. I'm gonna have to deal with that, deal with this. We need to go a bit more lower this side so that it's almost level. But I'm happy with this, so I'll take my win and say we have achieved what we needed today. So yeah, we live to deal with it another day. As you can see, we are almost there. We're done with removing the grass. The grass is all gone. We've removed all the grass. What is left is dealing with the boulders and leveling it so that it can sit nicely, and we then fill it up with good soil, compost, everything else that will be needed, and then we put in some of the seedlings that are there in the garage. We put in some of the seeds that I have in my storage, and we start growing food, you know. And obviously I will also have to secure it. It's going to be a bit of a tricky one to secure in terms of doing something like this to avoid the monkeys from, you know, jumping in. But I'm hoping that I'll come up with an idea, and an idea that will work for this section as well. Otherwise, Sandy the guy who lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the video. Those that have done or who do that, we are highly appreciating your doing that, your efforts, your eyes watching our videos. We say to you, thank you very much. And I am out. Out is me.